With LifeTouch yearbooks, we'll make it easy, and you'll make it great. Webbies, our secure and reliable web-based tool, will help you quickly create the perfect yearbook for your school.
Yearbook time!
Our streamlined process and personalized support ensure a successful yearbook. Quality cover options, pre-designed templates, borders, and backgrounds help you create colorful, eye-catching pages in no time.
The reason I really enjoy using Webbies is the simplicity of it.
Webbies keeps you on track with your yearbook from beginning to end. You can always see the progress of your pages, and the yearbook checklist contains reminders of tasks to be completed. Help tools including video tutorials, PDF downloads, and monthly newsletters provide useful information when you need it.
The drag and drop interface is super easy to learn.
Using our dynamic ladder diagram, it's simple to drag templates onto your page and enter page descriptions and details. As you create pages, thumbnails will appear in the ladder so that you can see at a glance what is featured on each page. Managing images in Webbies is a cinch. You can quickly upload photos and graphic elements and organize them into folders. Add keywords to easily find the images you need. Capturing photos of every school event can be a challenge. With Community Upload, you provide families with an access code so that they can upload photos for consideration. These photos will be placed in a secure library that can only be accessed by the advisor.
I think it's exciting that parents will be able to share their photos as they take them. And after an event, a school event, a carnival, a family fun night, they can go home and upload their photos for the use in the yearbook right away.
The Build section is where your pages come to life, and with Webbies, it's user-friendly and fun.
Creating pages is really simple for the students. There's a lot of templates. In fact, there's hundreds of templates for the students to use. It's very simple to insert the template onto the page and then make it your own. You can make the pictures smaller or bigger, you can add clip art, you can add borders and background, and so the freedom that the students have to be creative on their own and create the pages that they really want is really nice as a teacher too.
As your yearbook and photography partner, LifeTouch has also streamlined the creation of portrait pages.
One of the great things about the Webbies program is that your LifeTouch portraits can be uploaded directly to the website shortly after your retake day. There's no CD that you have to worry about getting to us. Since we're one company, everything just flows in automatically.
Tracking yearbook sales and enhancements is simple with the Sales Tracker. For your convenience, students' names are automatically populated after Picture Day. As you receive orders for the yearbook, simply enter the information into Sales Tracker and print a receipt for the purchaser. Once yearbooks arrive, download a list for easy distribution. From page 1 to done, Webbies from LifeTouch will partner with you, providing streamlined tools and personalized support. You'll enjoy the experience of creating your yearbook as much as your students and their families will enjoy reliving school memories.
It's amazing. I love it. I think this is the best so far.
To learn more, go to yearbooks.lifetouch.com.